and Chuck. Today we're just going to do an unboxing. Unfortunately, I can't even see right now because the sun is so bright in my eye. So I just want to do a quick live to show you what came in today and gave me my paper cut. So we have this, which is the nativity window. And then we have our Sparkle All the Way. This has different cutouts that we can use for different projects. Remember, you can mix and match your transfers, your pieces. So we can put those on different things. Oh, we've got stars, which is helpful. Bless this day with grace and gratitude. Always a good thing to do. I'd like to put that on a t-shirt. We should do that sometime. I'll grab a couple and do that. And we have yourself a merry little Christmas. It is getting to be that time of year. If you're jumping on, like and follow the business page. Let me know where you're coming in from. Then we have the Nutcracker duo. So we have number 1 and number 2. Those will be a fun thing to do up. You can get creative with them. Hi everybody. How are you doing today? I'm just doing an unboxing. I decided, because I can't see very well. I'm doing well. What's new? Oh, sweet fall. I know we're practically in winter now, but this one came in just now. All the leaves. I love the different kinds of leaves they have on this one. Hey, Carolyn. I'll go back through the ones that you guys missed in a minute. How's everybody doing? What's new? I'm just going to put these on my lap because they're bigger. Then we have the gingerbread houses. I was going to do the other side of the door tags, but like I said, it's so bright right now I can't see. So then we have this one, which is Good Tidings and Great Joy. I hope you can see, because I can't. Yeah. And then this one was one of the ones that came out of the vault. It's I love you, a bushel and a peck. And a hug around the neck, I think. Is that how it goes? Yeah. So he's a big guy. Like, well, he's as big as the last couple that I've shown. So those are the big ones. I'll go back and show you the smaller ones that I got. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Bless this day with grace and gratitude. I know, it's hard to remember the whole saying sometimes when you're not looking at it. This is the Sparkle All the Way transfer. Say hi, let me know where you're coming in from. I'm Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chalk. I'm a chalk tour designer. Go to tellystalkingchalk.ca if you would like more information about Chalk Tour. And then, like I said, the first one we looked at was the nativity scene. So I know this is a short one, but I'm just having a hard time seeing today because of the sun. We didn't close over that window, so it's like right in my face. I hope everybody's having a good time. I will be back again tomorrow at 2 and actually do some stuff. Which one, if we don't do the door tags, or we could do a door tag and maybe even put this one on it, that could work. Let me know what colors we want to use. Hey Nick. I don't know if anybody actually could see out of the photo that I posted, but I literally nicked my, there. I don't even know if you can see it now, but literally like sliced my hand on the cardboard that they put the stuff in. Just like, yeah, you want to do the door tag? Okay. You want to, do we want to put the nativity scene on it? We could do it. Red and gold. That sounds like a pretty color. So do the whole thing red and then do the nativity scene in the gold? Is that the idea? Hey everybody. Alright, I'll go through all of this again. We've got more people on. So we've got the nativity scene. I'm Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chalk. I'm a chalk tour designer. Like and follow the business page. You can check out the link in the on the page, or go to tellystalkingchalk.ca. That's the Sparkle All the Way. Bless this day with grace and gratitude. Yeah, so we'll do the nativity scene in red and gold on the door tag tomorrow. This is Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas. Since I've done this 3 times on just this live itself, you'd think I'd have this all memorized. I love you a bushel and a peck, and a hug around the neck. I can't say this one. Good tidings and great joy. I don't know why they didn't put cheer, but I guess joy fit better on this one. Yeah, we can do Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas on Thursday. Because today's Tuesday, so I can do that one on Thursday. These are all going to hit the floor. Like that. Paul's going to love me when he comes home. You trying to put songs in my head again there, Ryan? Then we have the gingerbread houses. We can do on some houses. I've got to order some houses in the actual surfaces. Oh, this is a newsstand. He bought me a newsstand, so he's paid for that. Then we have the leaves and the Oh Sweet Fall. I know we're a little late getting this one, but then we have, I'm probably holding this upside down. Yep. The Nutcracker. Oh, it's, yeah. And then again, the Good Tidings and Great Cheer. Or Great Joy. They changed this one on me, so it's not right. So that's all I have for you today. I will do the door tag tomorrow, and then we'll do the Christmas one the next day. I hope to see you guys back here tomorrow at 2 o'clock. I'm sorry I'm so late, but that just came in and I wanted to show you that. But I will see you guys tomorrow at 2. Bye, y'all.